Zdravo prijatelji! Today we will make a really easy and simple lentil curry. So stick around and let's start.
My inspiration for this curry came when I was visiting a friend and she was making this beautiful curry and I was like, damn, I need to make this at home myself. So to start off, we're gonna dice an onion into nice cubes. Next, we're gonna take off both ends of the carrot, peel it nicely, and then slice and cube it. The best thing about this curry is you don't even have to use lentils. You can use chickpea or potato, and the curry will still taste amazing. This is optional, but I like my food spicy, so I will add a chili. If you know my channel, you know what's come next. So here's how to peel garlic. You take a clove, put your knife on it, and then smack it. And the peel will easily fall off. Everything nicely peeled, we're gonna mince the garlic really finely. So here's a new pro tip for you out there. When peeling ginger, you take a small spoon, then you peel off the outer skin. It's the easiest way, trust me. Alright, we peeled the garlic. Now we're gonna slice it into thin stripes, cut them into small cubes, and mince it as finely as the garlic. Now we can start off with the cooking. So in a small pot, put in some oil, turn the heat up to a medium or high, and toss everything we chopped in there. We're also gonna add some salt to get the moisture out and then stir everything. When the onions become glossy, we're gonna add our lentils. So I'm gonna approximately add 3 handfuls. For our spices, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, and some pepper. Then we're gonna add a can of tomatoes and some heavy cream. Oh, I almost forgot. We're also gonna add a tablespoon of paprika, half a lime, and some bay leaf. Last, we're gonna let it simmer till the lentils are done. And don't forget to occasionally stir. Also, don't forget to check if you need to add some salt. Mine is good. The only thing left to do is to scoop some curry into a bowl and hit it with the garnish. I'm gonna use some coriander from my pho videos. By the way, if you haven't seen them, there's a link in the description. And then take the coriander and spread it over the curry.
That's it. Like I said, it's a really easy and simple recipe. If you like this recipe, please give it a like. Also, you can subscribe me and leave a comment on your lentil curry. See you next time.